Hey, welcome back to the Nail Chronicles. So this is design number 2 of Christmas Nail Art 2018. So technically this is design number 1, but I kind of stuffed up my folders when I was creating all the images, and so now it's become design number 2. This one is an interesting one. So I started out with the OPI base coat Alpine Snow, and I decided to keep the design fairly basic, and I had intended to put some sort of glitter pieces on top. And this is a new glitter polish that I'd picked up recently in the Black Friday sales. So I started out with a Christmas tree, and of course I didn't get the images on the same nails, but that's okay because I guess it gives each hand a little bit of difference, which is good. But yeah, I did intend to have them on the same one, but that's alright, it still looks pretty cool. And so I just kind of picked up different images of the stamping plates. I'm using a Born Pretty plate here. At the time of doing this, I was still waiting for the Manology plates to arrive. They have finally arrived, which is great. So you can see here, I'm just gently pressing. You'll notice I'm sort of supporting my finger. I tend to do this when I'm filming. I don't actually do this when I'm just normal stamping. I don't know, because my hands are up in the air, it feels a little bit less supported. So yeah, I keep going along, putting these things in there. So back to what happened with the glitter. And so I chose this one. I thought it looked really pretty. It would be quite fun, and it would like almost create kind of a snow sort of effect, so create some depth into the image, and especially with the tree, maybe create some like, you know, pretty lights and have that sort of Christmassy feel to it. Well, more so than having Christmas trees and presents on my nails. And I put it on one nail, and I'm like, yeah, it kind of looks okay, but you know, okay, I'll see what it looks on like on the rest. Because sometimes it looks like horrible on one nail, but you have all nails like it and it looks fine. Other times you put it on one nail and you just go, okay, no, that's definitely not going to work. In this case, I decided I would try and make it work, and it didn't. It seriously looked like somebody had vomited glitter on my hands, and it was just covered, and it was thick, and it overtook the image, so you could barely see that there was a Christmas tree underneath. So maybe I should have done it the other way around, do the glitter then the stamping on top. That might have worked out a little bit better. But yeah, definitely just, it wasn't good. And so I actually have removed all the film bits of that glitter and also all the images. It's just, it's not even worth showing. It looks awful. So anyway, I'm showing you the first bit of my nails before I completely stuffed it up. And I did actually put clear nail polish, as you can see I'm putting on now, on my nails before I put the glitter on. It did smudge a little bit as well. That was just me rushing. I should have waited a little bit longer, but that's right. I should really know better. Anyway, learn from my mistakes. So yeah, I've put these on there, and I'm actually kind of quite happy with how the design turned out. It was really cute. I love the Christmas tree and the white and the black contrast. I really do like those two colors together. They're really cool. But yeah, it was just a shame that I decided to put glitter on it and not stop. But other than that, I hope this gives you an idea, and maybe something other than the traditional red, green, and whatever other sort of bright Christmassy colors. And yeah, so that's pretty much all I've got for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some tips of what not to do, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around. Bye.